Good morning, Merry Vlogmas. So I've actually been up for a few hours, literally just reading and getting today's video up. I realized I was a little behind on Artmas, so I was editing today's video for that, and then I'm gonna have to actually do some Artmas because I only went up to like half of day 7. So today's gonna be an art day. I'll be doing Artmas, as many as I can get done, as well as figuring out my abstract painting that I'm supposed to do. And then tomorrow's Tuesday, Wednesday. No, I'm probably gonna have to skip classes on tomorrow. And go and paint my canvas because that's due on Friday. I am so behind. Yeah, anyways, it's gonna be a very boring day, very short vlog. I'm gonna enjoy my second cup of coffee. I was gonna finish the wall of photos because I still have like an entire pile left, but I have no clue where my sticky tack went. Like, I honestly have no idea where it went. I'm so confused. Yeah, that's it. So, just a full-on art day, and if I can find the sticky tack, I'm gonna finish that freaking photo wall because I don't know if I'll like it until I've already done it, and I need to do it so that I can see if I like it. And yeah, so it's gonna be an interesting day. Okay, so I finally did it. I got all the poor, like, dried out leaves off of my plant. It looks horrible now, but on the bright side, I was able to find the part that's still living. So hopefully with all the dead stuff now taking, like, not there, taking all the nutrients, all the actual, like, still living part of the plant will come back. But my poor baby, I can't believe it dried out on the windowsill. Like, but yeah, there's like a bunch of little, those thingies right there that like freaked me out when I first got the plant. They like roll out and become like the big long whatever. So now it's just waiting for those to come out. They usually come out in like a day or two, so I'll just have a dead looking plant for a couple of days, and then hopefully it will go back to being green, and then just hoping that it doesn't do that again. Okay, now I'm gonna do art. So I was just editing this and realized I did not really have an outro, and I kind of just jumped to random things with like no explanation at all. So my final painting project assignment for the semester is due on Friday. And what you just saw me do was literally all I've done for my project. I've spent the last 3 weeks trying to figure out what to do, and finally said screw it and just started throwing paint onto a canvas. So that was my final project. Not done yet, but it's better than just a blank canvas like I had before. I may or may not have spent the entire morning reading a book, and then finally decided I can't just keep ignoring life and reading, so I got the book that I was reading on Audible, and I now have the next like 32 hours of my life planned out because I will be listening to that book on Audible. Yeah, and then I got my art mess and stuff done. I'm about to go sign on for my business class meeting so that we can get our final report and everything done and ready to go. And that is pretty much the rest of my night, is just that meeting and then painting. I'm probably gonna go to sleep because I'm like ready to crash like right now. Yeah, that is it. So hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.